Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here today, guys. I'm doing a weight challenge, shred off some of these pounds you put on over the winter. So today I want to share with you guys what I have for lunch and what I have for breakfast, all right? Just doing some smoothies. I'm going to show you guys what I use in my smoothies for balancing my diet for the day. And I'll be also sharing some salads that I have in the afternoon. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys how I prepare my smoothies. All right, let's get it going. All right, so we're ready to make this smoothies. So this is what I'm using for my smoothie. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step what I'm putting inside of my smoothie. So I'm just gonna tell you guys I'm gonna be using a cup of almond milk, and I'll just show you guys the almond milk. I'm using unsweetened almond. All right, so I'll put that right there, and I'm gonna be using medium green apples. So the green apples, you can substitute the green apples if you like for a regular apple, but I use the green apples. All right, it's really good. Give a good flavor inside the smoothie as well. And I'm using a pear right here. And I'm also gonna use a cup of spinach right here, and I doubled the recipe, so this looks like more than a cup, and it is more than a cup. It's 2 cups because I'm doubling up my recipe. I'm just doing one for lunch and one for breakfast. All right, and I'm gonna be using a medium banana. So that's gonna be 2 bananas. I already have one cut up right here, and I'll be using a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I double my cinnamon because I'm making lunch as breakfast, as I said. So, and I'm gonna use a quarter cup of oats. I'm gonna get that measure out in a few minutes. I'm gonna be using a teaspoon of vanilla inside as well. And you can use dates, but I'm using 2 prunes inside my smoothie, all right? So I'll show you guys that as we're going. I'm just gonna start cutting up my apples right here and get them inside my blender. So just cut up these apples. You can just chunk these however you like. Just trying to stay on the healthy side. As I said, over the winter you don't go out much to walk or exercise as much. I do exercise a little bit in my basement on my treadmill, but I don't think that's enough. You eat differently over the winter, so gotta get it off. Right, so I got my 2 prunes here. You can use 2 dates if you don't have prunes. That works as well. Got all my fruits cut up right here. Bananas are going in. I'm gonna do my teaspoon of cinnamon, vanilla I should say. I already have my cinnamon out. All right. So that's my vanilla down. I'm gonna put in my cinnamon right there. As I said, quarter of a teaspoon. So you can double it if you're making the lunch and the breakfast. I'm gonna do quarter cup of oats. All right, I'm gonna get my spinach right inside. So 1 cup of spinach, and the almond milk, you go 1 cup. Beautiful. All right, guess what? We're ready to blend. Gonna get this blend up right now. Make sure most of the liquid goes down to the bottom to get the blender going. All right. So this is packed with everything for your lunch and breakfast. This is all done blending up. So I get these mason jars, pour it in. I'm gonna have one right now, and one is going in the fridge for my lunch. All right. So this is how you make your meal right here. This is packed with everything inside you need. All right. And I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the video. If you're new to this channel, I'm Chef Will, your Will's Kitchen Table. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share with a friend, aunt, uncle, cousin, aunt. Again, catch you in the next one.